Okay, this is the finishing touch here. Just a lot of cleanup after the cut. We're using this grinder without the cover. Just make sure that if you do something like this, you're well aware that these tools can hurt you severely if you're not careful. So make sure that you give that some thought. I'm coming back and cleaning this area here, which is leftover mortar, just to get it nice and flat so that we can put this panel up against the surface here and it'll be nice and flush as you see it here. Very minor chipping here from the grinder. After we cut this line, I came back and I started grinding a little more, and that's where this chipping comes from. Otherwise, if I would have left the tape alone, this is painter's tape that was adhered to the surface. Make sure the surface is clean if you're going to do the same, so the tape adheres, and that way you have a nice clean line. As you can see, it here is very clean. And so we're just finishing this with my daughter. My daughter's helping me with a vacuum, putting it right next to the tool where the dust is lifting, so there's minimal dust here. So yeah, we're almost done here. I have to cut this other angle here. We got to finish that. And in this section right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a strip, just a rectangular strip here to finish this section here, and that'll be the this sort of transition which will be flush between the tile and the pergo. We'll get to that in a new video once I'm done with this setup here, but we're getting there.